You've been on the fence about starting a YouTube channel for a while, but as we enter 2025, it's part of your New Year's resolution. I'm a Nigerian travel YouTuber who stumbled upon a career on this app. I made lots of mistakes during my early days, but successfully achieved monetization in less than 7 months. In 2024, I'm by no means a YouTube growth expert or guru. Neither will watching this video magically help you achieve monetization overnight. My aim is to show you how I overcame imposter syndrome and an introverted nature to build a YouTube channel that I can be proud of. Why don't you whip out your notepad, because you're about to learn how to post the best videos of your life through my tips. First and foremost, nobody cares. I see a lot of people, especially Nigerians, because I'm a Nigerian. I see a lot of people post things that are irrelevant to them and their YouTube. When it comes to topics, pick a topic that is going to convert. There are some topics that won't do you any favors, and even the best thumbnails or titles will not save them. Pick a topic and get straight to the point. Avoid long, unnecessary intros. I once watched a video about 13 minutes. The first 3 or 4 minutes was unnecessary explanations. Nobody is searching for anything online. They are searching for a question they need answer to, and if your video provides the answer, they will watch it. If they like what they see, they'll subscribe and comment. You do not have to find your niche immediately, but when you are posting videos, try to post at least 2 or 3 videos on the same topic, so in case you find your niche, people have other things to look at on your channel. In the meantime, your niche will find you over time, and I strongly believe that your niche might evolve over time. Next up, consistency and excuses. One of the best advice I ever got on YouTube is post consistently, but don't consistently post rubbish. I know some people that do vlogmas or this type of challenges where they post every day for a couple weeks or months, and these challenges do them no favors because they're posting back-to-back nonsense. But with that in mind, I would say if you do not have previous filmmaking experience, 1 or 2 times a week is a good number to aim at in terms of uploads. What's your excuse? Gadget insufficiency? You don't have the best phone? You don't have the right equipment, to your opinion? Yeah, it happens to the best of us. I know that also stopped me for a while. But one thing I would say is a good topic will save you. Let's say you are a Nigerian and you recently had an interview at the US Embassy. If you post a video on the questions you were asked or your experience at the US Embassy, even if you have the worst camera or the worst microphone, people that have their interviews coming up will come up to your channel and watch whatever you have to say, even if they have to put their phone directly into their ears to hear you. The right topic will have people coming no matter what. If you're enjoying the video so far, or you've gotten 1 or 2 tips, why don't you consider subscribing and liking? It really helps you and I. Thank you very much as you do so. Moving on, you need to provide value in every video. That's one thing I always try to do. Whenever I post a video, I always ask myself, if somebody puts in even a minute or a couple seconds to watch this video, are they gaining any new information or any type of information for that matter from my video? I'm not just posting for the sake of posting. I always plan my videos through backwards planning. I find an answer that people are asking questions to, and then I work my way backwards. My advice to you is to create videos that answer questions and solve issues. In YouTube, good audio is better than good video, and if you look at my earliest videos, it was awful in terms of audio, and I have to stop posting for a week and use all my savings to buy a decent microphone, because I knew that if I kept posting, I'll be posting rubbish. I have a mantra that next video, best video. So I might not be posting Fire Inos quality or Mr. Beast quality, but every video I post, I improve one thing. It might be a new way of getting more out of my audio. It might be a new way of taking shots. Every video, I change one thing, and over time, compounds into something amazing. I'm not there yet, but I see the difference between my early videos and this. Sometimes while scrolling through the streets of YouTube, I see a thumbnail that goes something like YouTube is on easy mode, how to not get monetized, or how to get millions of views, and I feel like this is very unfair and leads a lot of people astray. I do not believe YouTube is on easy mode, and I do not believe it has ever been, but people tend to forget that success begets more success. If you grow your channel to a certain level, just the fact that the algorithm knows that you post this kind of videos consistently, you will get more impressions. It might take you 6 months to get to 100 views, but just 1 month to double that. If you've built one successful channel, you can build another, so it will seem easy to you. But somebody like me that had never done it before, YouTube was not easy, and I'm sure you might be able to resonate with this. YouTube is not on easy mode, but if you've done it for a while, it gets easier, hopefully. If you're serious about this YouTube journey, then you must be willing to put in the work. I see lots of people both within and outside the platform say things like automate your YouTube channel, ChatGPT will write your scripts, and AI will do your thumbnail, and an AI generated voice will help you with narration or voiceovers. And then when I see stuff like this, I'm always confused. There are some people that this would work for perfectly, maybe because of their niche or because people know them with AI content. But why are you unwilling to put in the work to get into the dungeon and do what needs to be done? AI support is not bad. I feel like there are certain people that, if used well, can help you do more with less time. But be willing and ready to put in the work. I made lots of mistakes during my early days, but those mistakes are the reason why you are here watching this video today. I had bad audio, I had bad videos. Some of my ideas earlier on were absolute rubbish. I did not know how to edit. I still do not know how to edit, but with each video we are improving. I think for my first 5 or so videos, I did not realize that I needed to change my audio to stereo audio. So if you are listening to them with earpiece, it will probably come out of just one ear to show you how crazy it was. If you are still here, you and I know that you are enjoying this video and you are learning one or two things. So what's stopping you from subscribing and liking? What's stopping you? Why don't you do so now? Thank you. Take out the time to make your channel look as professional as possible. Go to your customization page and do what needs to be done to make it look presentable. I feel like for thumbnails and designs, Canva is your friend. I have made almost all my thumbnails on Canva and it has served me well. Family and friends may be running your opportunity to grow on the channel, but you don't know. Lots of people start a channel, they post a video, they go to their WhatsApp or personal connections and then send them the links. These people might not be interested in your video, not because it's a bad video, but sending me makeup content might not be what I'm interested in because I do not do makeup. They subscribe, they like, probably click on your video because of the respect you, they like you. They watch a couple seconds or minutes, click off. In the process, ruining your watch time. For future videos, YouTube usually sends out new videos to subscribers, and for each time they do not click on the video, it's affecting the overall performance of a video. So keep in mind when you are sharing your video, it might not be the right way to approach growth on YouTube. That's just a personal opinion. Please don't crucify me. As we inch closer to the end of this video, you should consider supporting the channel by becoming a member or gifting super thanks. It helps me a lot as a new YouTuber and start from as little as $1. Thank you as you do so. As a new YouTuber, you need to forgive yourself. I've been in a situation multiple times where I work so hard on a video, I put in all the effort, I do so much research, I learn new ways of editing, thumbnailing and all, and then I tell myself this is the video, this video is gonna move mountains, and then I post it 18 views in 24 hours. It happens to the best of us, and you need to forgive yourself when the videos do not do well. Sometimes it might just be YouTube sending your video to the wrong clip, and sometimes the video doesn't just do well. Also try to reply comments. It's surprising and scary how many new YouTubers do not reply comments. It's an easy way to build a connection with your viewers, but you need to draw a line in the sand for how much disrespect you are willing to put up with, because I've had my fair share of disrespect from certain people. This video is scheduled to go out on December 29, 2024, and I know that lots of people have New Year resolutions to start their YouTube channel or take it seriously in January. So throughout January 2025, this channel is all about you. I'm going to be posting multiple videos on how I was able to grow from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in 6+ months. I'm going to tell you how I create my videos. I'm going to tell you everything I know for free on this channel over a series of 13 videos. But before you go, give yourself up to a year and create videos worth watching. I see lots of people put a timeline to their monetization, like, oh, how can I monetize in a month, in 3 months? Like, you have a year, so to speak, because YouTube counts your watch time for the last year. I gave myself a year and I ended up getting it in 55% of the time. Why don't you click the video on screen right now, because I created it with you in mind. Until the next video, your friend from the Ukodo YouTube channel wishes you love, peace and prosperity.